How to install JMA half-inch connectors. Step 1. Prep. To begin, straighten the cable and using RD Cutter S, apply even pressure while rotating the tool around the cable to cut squarely. If using JMA's waterproof solution, add WPS boot now. Attach the proper prep tool to the drill. Actuate the drill to remove the jacket and expose the center conductor, making sure the final cut is in the valley. Use the coring bit to remove dielectric until cable reaches stop. Use center conductor cleaner SPCC tool to remove any remaining dielectric material on the center conductor. Use the provided alcohol wipe to clean the inner and outer conductors thoroughly. Step 2. Install. Align the outer conductor as with the groove on the cap. Mark the cable jacket in line with the end of the connector. Push the connector onto the cable until it reaches the alignment mark and 2 clicks are felt. Step 3. Compress. Push back the insert to allow the connector and cable to lie flat in the frame. Make sure the connector is fully seated. Press the HCG trigger until the tool fully cycles. When fully compressed, the connector will move away from the alignment mark.